Good morning, this is Libezi with the Polyglot 5. Today you will learn the Spanish alphabet with pronunciation. Let's go for it. A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, He, He, H, H, I, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, theta, theta. Now you've just learned the alphabet, but in Spanish, there's another letter. It's gonna be ñ. That's not an actual letter, but it's just a variation of the same N. Okay, ñ. Now, if you want to learn more, make sure you subscribe, share, and activate the bell. Take care. See you soon.